आज हम सोशियोलॉजी के इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डाटा एनालिसिस को पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें हम कोडिंग, एडिटिंग, टैबुलेशन, इंटरप्रिटेशन, ड्राइंग, इन्फेरेंस, बिब्लियोग्राफी एंड रिपोर्ट राइटिंग टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे। कोडिंग in data analysis is an important process used to organize, classify and interpret data in a systematic manner. It is widely used in both qualitative and quantitative research. Meaning, coding in data analysis refers to the process of assigning labels, symbols, number or category to data for the purpose of classification and interpretation. It means researchers simplify complex information, organize data systematically, identify pattern relationship, draw conclusion from research finding. For example, in a survey, male may be coded as 1, female may be coded as 2. Similarly, in qualitative research, statement about financial problem may be grouped under the code economic issues. Definition of coding. Saldana. Coding is a method of assigning meaning to collected data for analysis. Objectives. The main objectives of coding are to organize large amount of data, to simplify complex information, to classify responses systematically, to identify theme and pattern, to make analysis easier and accurate, to draw conclusion from research finding, to reduce confusion in raw data. Types of coding in data analysis. Open coding. Open coding is the initial stage where data is divided small parts and meaningful labels are assigned. Features: identification of concept, breaking data into category, exploring meaning. Statement. Example: statements related to stress, unemployment and poverty may be coded separately. Axial coding. Axial coding connects category and identifies the relationship between them. Features: linking categories, identifying cause and effect, organizing subcategories. Example: unemployment may be linked with poverty and migration. Selective coding. Selective coding identifies the central theme or care of category around which all other categories are organized. Features: integration of category, development of theory, final interpretation. Example: economic insecurity among youth may become the central theme. Numerical coding. Numerical coding is commonly used in quantitative research. Example: response code yes 1 no 2. This type of coding helps in statistical analysis using software. Process: data collection, reading and understand data, identifying important information, assigning codes, grouping similar codes, interpretation. Characteristics of good coding: clear, consistent, accurate, systematic, relevant to objectives, easy to understand. Challenges in coding. Researcher may face several difficulties: large amount of data, subjectivity, time consumption, overlapping category, technical complexity. Conclusion: coding is considered the foundation of data analysis and an essential tool for producing accurate and meaningful research result. Next question है editing and tabulation. Editing is the process of examining the collected data carefully to detect mistakes, omission, inconsistency, and inaccuracies. It ensures that the information collected from respondent is complete and suitable for analysis. Objectives of editing. The main objective of editing were to improve data quality को improve करना. Editing removes errors, and improves accuracy. To ensure completeness, it checks whether all questions have been answered. To maintain consistency, responses should not contradict each other. To make data suitable for classification and tabulation, proper editing prepare data for further analysis. To increase reliability of research, correct and accurate data produce a trustworthy conclusion. Types of editing. Types of editing is generally divided into two types. Field editing. Field editing is done immediately after data collection by the investigator or interviewer. It is performed while the information is still fresh in the mind of the researcher. Central editing. Central editing is done at the office or research center by experienced editor after all schedule or questionnaires are collected. Principles of good editing: completeness, accuracy, uniformity, clarity, consistency. Meaning of tabulation. Meaning of tabulation is the process of arranging classified data into rows and columns in the form of tables. It simplifies complex data and makes comparison easy. In simple words, tabulation means presenting data systematically in tables for analysis and interpretation. Objectives of tabulation: to simplify complex data, to present data in a systematic form, to facilitate comparison, to save time and space, to help statistical analysis, to make interpretation easier. Types of tabulation. Simple tabulation: it presents data according to one characteristics only. Example: gender, number, male, female, 60-40. This table show respondent according to gender only. Complex tabulation: present data according to two or more characteristics. Example: gender, literate, illiterate, total, मेल फीमेल, ये नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. दिस टेबल शो जेंडर एंड लिटरेसी टुगेदर. Inclusion, editing and tabulation are fundamental steps in data analysis. Interpretation and drawing inference in research. Meaning of interpretation: refer to the process of explaining the meaning and significance of the analyzed data. It involves understanding what the result indicate in relation to the objective of the study. Meaning of drawing inference means researching conclusion or making generalization from the analyzed data. It is the process through which researchers derive meaning, judgment, prediction, or conclusion based on evidence. Importance of interpretation and inference are important because give meaning to data. Raw data become meaningful information through interpretation. Help in hypothesis testing. Researchers can accept or reject hypotheses at policy formulation. Government and organization use research conclusion for planning and policy making. A relationship between interpretation and inference. Interpretation explains the meaning of finding. Inference draw conclusion from those findings. Interpretation and drawing inference are vital stage in research methodology. Bibliography and report writing. A bibliography is a list of books, journals, articles, reports, websites, and other reference materials used by the researcher during the study. It is generally placed at the end of the research report or dissertation. The word bibliography comes from two Greek words: bibliography, biblio, books, graphy, writing. Thus, bibliography means writing about books or listening reference source. Types of bibliography. Enumerative bibliography. It lists sources systematically according to author names, subject or titles. Analytical bibliography. It studies the physical features of books such as printing, edition and publication details. Annotated bibliography. It includes short explanation or comments about each source. Meaning of report writing. Report writing is the process of presenting research finding in a clear, organized and systematic written form. It describes the objective methods, analysis, findings and conclusion of the study. A research report is the final product of research activity. It communicates the result of the study to readers, teachers, policymakers or organizations. Types of research reports. Technical reports prepared for experts and researchers using technical language. Popular report prepared for the general public using simple language. Interim report prepared before completion of research to show progress. Summary report present only major findings and conclusion briefly. Conclusion. Bibliography and report writing are essential component of research methodology. डाटा एनालिसिस में जो भी टॉपिक्स आते हैं वो हमने सभी पढ़ लिए हैं, सारे कवर कर दिए हैं। मैं आपको बता देती हूँ इससे। कोडिंग, एडिटिंग एंड एवोल्यूशन, इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड ड्राइंग, इन्फेरेंस, बिब्लियोग्राफी एंड रिपोर्ट राइटिंग। अगली वीडियो में हम कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे, ये वाले। फंक्शनलिज्म, सोशल सिस्टम एंड फंक्शन एनालिसिस, बी मैलिनोइस्की, कल्चरल फंक्शनलिज्म, टैलकोट पेटसन, जनरल थ्योरी ऑफ एक्शन एंड सोशल सिस्टम, आर के मैटन, क्रिटिक एंड रिफॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ फंक्शन एनालिसिस। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम ये टॉपिक्स को पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है, विद नोट्स के साथ। आप पीछे जो मैंने अभी टॉपिक को पढ़ाया डाटा एनालिसिस को, अगर किसी ने नोट्स नहीं बनाया है तो वो अच्छे से नोट्स बना लेना। सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना ताकि मैं कोई भी वीडियोस डालते रहूँ वो आपके तक पहुँचते रहे, ठीक है। आगे भी हम ऐसे ही सेकंड सेमेस्टर, थर्ड, फोर्थ सेमेस्टर होते हैं एमए में, हम वहाँ तक सारे नोट्स को कवर करेंगे अच्छे से। बाय, थैंक यू।